Good morning, guys. It is officially our very last adventure here in Exmouth. I am heading out next week, so we've got a fair bit to explore. This morning I'm really keen to get out and snorkel out at this spot called Oyster Stacks. The only thing is that you can't snorkel outside of high tide because when it gets to low tide the reef is too exposed. So that's around lunchtime, which I'm actually really glad for because it's kind of cold. Like, obviously it's winter. During the day it's been getting up to like 30 degrees, which has been bliss, but yes, mornings are still very chilly. So I've got my second coffee of the day. I am not far from the snorkeling spot, but I've just come out to this beautiful part of the coast. I'm thinking I'm just gonna go for a walk and then yeah, we'll head on over towards Oyster Stacks in a couple of hours. But this already looks like such a good fishing spot. Last week I had such good luck, so if you did miss that, please go back and watch. I caught the most impressive fish that I have ever caught with shore-based fishing. I am determined to do a bit more fishing today as well, but I did mention last week I do want to try my luck for some sunset fishing. So this could be a good spot. Otherwise we can also head down to Sandy Bay as well, but let's check out this and then get set up for some snorkeling. I was not expecting to dive with sharks today. That was incredible. Mildly terrifying. Yes, they were only reef sharks, but when you're solo diving, visibility was probably like 2 or 3 meters. You always have your guard up, although I didn't actually spot them for a little bit. I was so busy focusing on all the beautiful fish around me, but yeah, that was amazing. I'm hoping the camera picked up on it. There was actually 2 of them, so yeah, best experience. But it's still early afternoon. I'm thinking I might try my luck for some fishing a little bit earlier. I'm not really keen to sit around on the beach, so I reckon we'll go out for a fish, at least see if it's a good spot, and then we'll just continue as we get a little bit closer to sunset. I literally got snagged straight away. So maybe this isn't a good spot. I might walk a little bit further down the beach and just see if it gets any better. I literally had no luck out there with fishing. I swear it is like Snag City out there. Still stunning nonetheless. I even switched over to a squid jig. I figured if there was a lot of weeds out there, maybe I could try my luck with that. In saying that though, I think I might still try with the squid jig as the sun sets. I think they do prefer more sunset. But luckily I still have some fish left over from last week. So I'm gonna cook up my miso poached fish. This is like one of my favorites. I'm just gonna dice up some onion, and then in the pan, we're just gonna have our miso paste, some soy sauce. I only have jarred garlic and ginger, so that's just gonna have to do. And then of course our coconut milk. From there, we're just gonna put the fish in there, let that poach and serve it with rice. So pretty quick and easy meal, but so yummy. I'm just gonna let this come to a simmer. Make sure that that miso paste is all dissolved in, and then we can chuck in the fish. I'm thinking like maybe 10-15 minutes max. The fish should cook pretty quickly, but it is so good when it all comes together. This looks so good. I'm getting my workout in nice and early for sunrise because we have got a nice big sand dune to get over, but this is such an epic spot. I've done this for sunset before, but I feel like sunrise is just another thing entirely. So I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like this is gonna be a workout. The camera never does it justice, but that is pretty steep. This time of day will always be my favorite. Like, tell me that that is not just the most beautiful thing. The sun is about to pop out, so I've got the drone ready to go. I have no doubt there's going to be some epic scenes. There's a little bit of cloud cover today, but it should still be an incredible day. My mission is to see if I can find an epic fishing spot. I could go back to the spot I was at last week, but I don't know, I kind of like the challenge of trying new spots, so I'm gonna go and figure that out. I'll check in with you guys soon. So for fishing today, I thought I'd come down to Sandy Bay. I have gone right, and I figured I would just hug the coast and just see if we have any luck. If I can land another emperor, I will be so stoked. I am gonna go in with my slee dog, I think that's what they're called. This is what I caught the emperor on last time, so I have a good feeling. I think the tide is out at the moment, but it might be coming in. I actually have no reception to check, but whilst I try my luck with some fishing, I'm gonna show you guys a little comparison, because when I came down here, I drove down to Yardie Creek, and you guys might recall, I said that the 4-drive section is closed because of Cyclone Narelle. So Exmouth right through to Coral Bay, I think like Oyster Stacks is open, Oyster Bridge, sorry. Oyster Bridge is open, but because of Cyclone Narelle, the actual Yardie Creek crossing is now covered in water. You probably could still cross it, but it would be salt water, but it's just so cool to see the comparison. I'll put a little snippet here of last year when I crossed it versus today when I put the drone up, but yeah, not once did I see it covered in water last year, so just crazy what Mother Nature can do. But yeah, hopefully it does open up soon. Won't happen whilst I'm here, but I'm so glad that I got to get in there last time. But that's where things like Windabandy and all of those really cool like South Lefroy, all these beautiful spots are located. But let's try our luck for some fishing. The water is literally so clear today. It is beautiful. It's also been such a hot day, so it's kind of nice just to wade through water, just to cast out that little bit further, although no bites just yet. So I'm thinking I'm gonna give it maybe another 30 minutes and then we might change up locations. Oh, oh no! I side hooked this little guy. That is That is very, very cool. I've seen a lot of these when I've been snorkeling, but never caught one. It's got teeth. Can you guys see that? Oh my God. Anyway, this guy's gonna go back. There ended up being so much more fish activity in the water, but I wasn't snagging anything except for that one little fish that I caught. If anyone knows what type of fish that is, let me know in the comments, because like I said, I've seen so many of them. I just have no idea what kind of fish it is. As far as fishing of an evening, look, I probably could keep fishing, but it is absolutely low tide now. But I feel like I'm more of a morning person. I'm not gonna lie, I gave it a go. And look, I might still try it. Like, I'll be in Exmouth for another couple of days before I start trekking up north, so I'll definitely keep trying my luck. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm actually so excited for what's to come over the next couple of weeks. I do have some news to share with you all. Not quite yet though. I'm gonna make sure it's all locked and loaded, but I will see you guys all next week.